Hi all. I think there's going to be some confusion about how to properly plot histograms of your weight percent data for Module 6. So I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So when you calculate the weight percents in each size class, you actually already have your histogram. So I'm sorry if I steered you wrong last week during class. You don't actually have to go through the data analysis tool pack. You already have your histogram data there. It's just basically just the distribution of your weight percents in each size class. So I'm going to show you an example here. So here's your set 1 class data from the Bishop Tuff. So your given data here is the size class weights with the phi scale for each sample. And so this is just sample A. You're going to calculate weight fraction and then weight percent based on the total weight and the weight in each size class. So you'll have some data that look like this. So to plot the histogram, you're going to take your weight percent size class data in each size class, and you're going to rearrange it so that the phi scale is shown here in column L. I'll just put a little label on it so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the phi size classes that you want on your x-axis of your histogram. The weight percents in each size class you're going to want on the y-axis in a column type plot. So those are shown here. So Excel's really buggy and weird with doing this, but here's an easy way to do it so that your x-axis label is your phi size classes. So you'll select all of the data, go up, and in Mac it's in this little insert button up here, not the top one, but on the toolbar. So I'm showing you right here, click on that, and just go to recommended charts and click on it. And it's going to give you some options. You'll have a scatter plot, you'll have weight percent, you'll have a bar graph. If you look at the clustered column option here, you'll see that it gives you exactly what you want. It's weight percent on the y-axis versus the phi number on the x-axis. So click on that and bam, you've got your histogram chart, and it's labeled correctly with the weight percent of each size class on the y-axis and the phi scale on the x-axis. And you're done.